Well, we did have quite a project about a year ago when there was a student protest. And interestingly enough, to the students' credit, they used what they thought would be a material that would not damage the pavement. And it was a chalk paint. So one would think chalk would wash off. Interestingly enough, I think because the chalk pigments were so fine, it really did get into the pores. And it was very difficult to clean. So we went through quite a testing process to take out the tile. This was at the Provost's office, in front of the Provost's office, Building 10. And what we did there is we tested a number of cleaning materials. We tested conservation soaps and cleaners and surfactants. What we found actually was the most effective was a cleaning process that involves a latex type of material that is spread onto the surface and is let cured. It remains rubber in a rubber state, and then you pull it off, and the stain comes with it. And that's what we did to all of the stained pavers that were over at the Provost's office. The rosette that we have right out here, a little trickier. We had to fabricate the forms out of steel, and it was placed in essentially the same way. But what was happening here was we also had to plan for delivery trucks. So we had to engineer this particular pavement so that for the weight, the axle weight of the delivery trucks that would back up here for supplies to the quad. And this is just the process that was gone through: the setting of the forms, the installation of the various colors, the tooling, the leveling of the forms, and then finally the placement.